Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer data from old Samsung to new Samsung phone. If you're using a Samsung phone and now you want to transfer your data from your old phone to new, let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From settings, just scroll down and look for accounts and backup. Just select this one and here just select transfer data for device setup. Select it and here you have to select which one you want to do on your phone. You have to select if you want to send from the phone. So if this is your old phone, you just have to select the first option, which is send from this phone. Just select it and here just select with which you want to transfer your data, with a wireless connection or cable. I'm going to select wireless, so just select this one and here just select using the app, and you just have to scan a QR code. So let's see where is QR come from, and after that on the other device you just have to select transfer data from device setup and then select receive on this one. Just tap on this one and here just select your Galaxy or Android, and after that you just have to select wireless as the same we have selected to the first phone. Just select that, and as you can see here's the QR code of this phone. You just have to select this QR code with the scanner which we have just opened. So after that your all data will be transferred from your old Samsung device to new Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.